If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Outlook 2026, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted recurring payments. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer or device. Make sure you are logged in with the account as the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the top right corner of the Outlook window and click on your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the account settings, look for the Subscriptions or Services and Subscriptions section. Click on it to view all active subscriptions associated with your account. Step 4. Find the recurring charge. Locate the subscription that has the recurring charge you wish to stop. Click on it to view more details, including the billing cycle and payment information. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for an option that says Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. After completing these steps, you should no longer be charged for the subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.